Hi besties, it is time. From my bag of obsession, today's star is this one right here, the boss lady wig, the one that makes me want to be firing people right now. Let's talk about her. The texture of those hair, smooth. Her vibe, the serious. This is the kind of wig you wear when you are not here to play. If I put this wig on my head, if I put this wig on, even my feet will behave instantly. But first impression doesn't mean much. We need to test her out. First, let's see how much she's going to shed. Here's my brush and let's brush through. No. Do you see that? Wait. Oh, am I dreaming? Wait. Maybe let me brush faster. My God. Oh, just a few strands of hair, like 2 strands of hair. I have seen wigs shed as though they are allergic to me, but this one, she is holding on tight. Imagine, no. And check out the inside of this wig. Check out. The construction of this wig was carefully done. I am going to give them that because, my God, the tracks OMG. And this big band right here makes it glueless, and by the thickness of this band, I already know that this is going to hold. I love me a secure queen, especially with kids climbing me. No, look at the feet. This is so tight, and I have this chunky cornrow behind me, but this wig is holding up tight. The band is keeping it secure. And look at this hairline, guys. Look at this hairline. It is finished. It is over. I am going to be firing people. Film. There is nothing you can see. Don't argue with me now. Don't argue unless you are fired. This wig is a 13 by 6. I think this is full frontal, which means middle part, yes. Side part, yes. Left part, yes. She is too versatile. I love this. But seriously, guys, this is a straight to the point wig. No unnecessary drama, just professional slaying. Look at this, the transparency of this lace. I think this is even pre-cloth. Now, I know you've been waiting for this part. Yes, I got this wig for 12,500 francs CFA. If you convert that should be around 40,000 naira, 40 something thousand naira. And honestly, for that price, this wig is giving. Oh, she is screaming luxury. I honestly did not believe it when they told me that it's human hair, but I loved it, so I decided to get it. And from what I am seeing right here, it might not be 100% human hair, but better believe with this fluffiness and softness, she is screaming rage. She is screaming, I am the CEO. She is screaming, I am the boss here. Respect me or else fired. No, don't. Final verdict, boss lady wig is a keeper. She does not share the crazy, and she is holding up tight. She makes me feel like I'm about to sign $1 million contract, even though I am just signing homework diaries for now. First things first, let's lay down my natural hair. I have this chunky cornrow behind me because pixie cuts are not forgiving. Any little bumps and you'll be looking like you hit puff underneath your wig cap, and we don't want that. Let's lay her flat. In fact, the flatter, the better. Wig cap is down and secured, and the cornrows, they are laying flat. Now we are getting somewhere. Let's proceed. Now, this pixie has a snug fit, which I love because that means no embarrassing slip off when I'm busy chasing my kids around the park or around the house, because boss lady cannot be caught sleeping. Literally. No, wait, what is she? Oh my gosh, this is already giving CEO vibes. It is already giving HR meeting, already giving Somto, come to my office right now. And now I grab my wax stick. I am going to use it to push all these hairs backwards because I do not need to cut the hair when I'm cutting the lace. I'm going to take my hot comb and brush these hairs backwards. You need them laying flat behind your ears. Yes, let them up. This is not the time to let them loose. Actually, let's get this hair down and tint the mousse. I do not want the accident that happened during my braided wig install to repeat itself again. I have gone ahead to add my foundation I added my foundation, the one that is 2 shades darker than my skin tone. I added it into the tinting mousse, and look at that match. Don't play. And if it is messy, if it is chaotic, it is me. It is probably me. If you catch it messy, catch it chaotic, it is your star. But we are moving regardless. Now take a comb and brush it further back, like put it behind your ear. Let that hair behind your ear, and then adjust your ear. If the lace is longer than your ear area, we are probably going to be cutting it. For easier cuts, I'm using a scissors and also an eyebrow razor. I find using these two easier for me. Some people would go ahead and use just scissors, but I do me. First off, I cut a little bit behind my ear. Then I split into 3. You already know how I split. I split into 2, eyebrow to eyebrows, leaving the middle. Then I start cutting the middle. Never cut all at the same time, especially as a beginner. Now I'm going to use my brow razor to cut in a zigzag motion. Never cut straight. Cut with a zigzag motion always. Now I'm going to cut the middle part, and then throw that out. Then I'm going to cut the side part. Cut the left and then cut the right, or is it cut the right and then cut the left? Anyway, they start cutting in the thing now. You get. But please be careful. You don't want to cut yourself with this razor. God, oh my God! Can you see that? Guys, the beauty of this wig, she is glueless. OMG, she's completely 100% glueless. At this point, it's just to let the hair down and go your way. No extra drama needed. I'm going to let this hair down so that you absorb the beauty of it. And because I am extra, I am going to take my got-to-be spray. Actually, you don't even need a got-to-be spray to do this. You can literally just use your melting spray, and I kid you not, you are good to go. I'm going to just be spraying my ear areas, spray both sides, and then press it in so that it gets tacky. Now pump out my melting spray and use it for the middle part, for the center. And babes, before, I see the lace melting away. I see the lace disappearing. Your girl has never, ever been this sure. This wig, she is already living her best life. No unnecessary coiling, no unnecessary straightening, nothing, no unnecessary hot tools. Just a little bit of lotion, a little bit of hair polish, a little bit of mousse, brush it or comb it, and you are good to go. I kid you not. On a normal day, you don't need to do all these ones. This is just we are just giving it a lifetime styling. Like after this one, every time I want to go out, I will just go to my stand, grab it, put it on my head, and I move. What? And now to take this Pixie cut to 1000%. Of course, we have to give her baby hairs. We have to give her those edges because she is a baby girl already, but she needs this extra. And trust your girl to go all the way out. And my God, do you see that sharp? Did you see that sharpness? You see this side part? It is sharp enough to cut through my problems. And this part, it is giving Michelle Obama in a Nollywood movie. What? What? No. You're telling me you're not shocked? Don't play now. Stars, be honest. Be honest with me. Do I look like I should be firing people or hiring people? Let me know in the comments.
Star, we have come to the end of our boss lady wig install. I truly do hope that you enjoy watching this video today. Please do not forget to subscribe to join my little family.
Give the video a big thumbs up and let me know if I should be firing or hiring. Mwah! Bye, my loves.